Welcome to JAcademy. In this video, we will learn how to make a Kaleido-Spiral using Turtle. Okay, so Turtle is a graphic. We can make graphic using Turtle in Python. Okay, so let us write the step that is required. So in order to make the Kaleido-Spiral, so we should first set the background color of the canvas because the diagram will be done on the canvas. Okay, and then what is the speed of the diagram and the pen size of the turtle. So first we need to initialize all this, and also we can also take uh, some colors because the pen color of the turtle is going to change after every circle that is drawn, and then we need to repeat these steps. So what we need to do is that we need to choose the next pen color, draw the circle, rotate the turtle and move the turtle forward. So it is going to form a spiral. Okay, so let us see how it is being done. So we need to first import turtle as T, and from iter tools we will import a function called cycle. I'll tell you what is the work of cycle. Then we are going to take a list of colors, and inside the cycle we will write those list of colors. I'm taking red, blue, need to close this, green, yellow, orange, and definitely pink. Okay, so the work of this cycle function is that it is going to take one color, red first, then blue, then green, and this will keep on continuing. Next we need to set the certain starting parameters like your background color of the canvas. So we write T standing for turtle dot bg color, and in the bg color we have to give the color, let us take black. Okay, and what is the speed, and let us say that the speed of drawing will be fast, and the pen size will be 4. So after giving the detail of the turtle, we need to write a function for the draw circle. Okay, so we need to define draw circle, and in the circle we require certain parameters like we require the size, and then we require the angle, and also the how much shift is required, and then we'll say that the pen color of the turtle is going to change to the next color. So every time it is making a circle, the color of the pen is going to change. Next, T dot circle, and circle will give the size of the circle. Then we are going to give the direction, that is right, and how much angle it is going to move on the right direction, and also T dot forward because we'll forward the turtle by certain shift, and this is the recursive call because again we are going to call it with the different parameters. Draw circle, and the size will be size plus 5, and the angle we are going to increase by 1, and the shift is also going to be increased by 1. Okay, so having defined the function for the draw circle, we are going to call this function as draw circle with a size of 30, angle is 0 and shift is 1. Okay, and then we try to run this program. Wow, there you go. Okay, we can see the turtle also. That looks beautiful, right? So you can also do one thing, you can hide the turtle for the time being. So you can say that t dot hide turtle, okay, and then when you run this again, you will not see the turtle in the, yes, the turtle is gone. Okay, and one more change you can do is that you can change the color of your background to change randomly. Okay, so you can, here in the function itself, you can say that t dot background color, that is bg color, is next color. Okay, okay, so it is next color, and when we run this, you can see that the background color is also changing, right? Okay, that's all guys for this video. I hope you have liked this. If you have liked this, do subscribe this channel and like and comment for this video. I require your support. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.